Today we're going to be making a 100-foot seesaw, so let's get to work. Owie! Well, it's too heavy for me to lift up. Bring the forklift in here and take it outside. And I thought that those were 48-foot LVLs. Turns out they were 32s, so we have to restructure our design. But to be fair, packaging said 48. Got my buddy Aaron here, he's gonna help me. Need some manpower to carry these Jungus LVLs around. Say hello.
What's up, guys?
He's like pretty much my best friend, so here we go. Okay, so we got this all screwed off. Can't remember how many members it was, but I think it's 90 feet long. Now we're gonna pick it up with the forklift, see if we wanna keep it laying down the way it is, or tilt it up on its edge, and what would be more stable for a teeter-totter. We have liftoff! Woo! Okay, time to see how strong this is. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. Adding on some extensions, because a 90-foot teeter-totter is not good enough. Gotta make it 100. Take a measure, see what we actually are. That is 100 feet right there. We are going to be 101 feet. 101.
Heck yeah, dude.
That's awesome. I am watching my little baby, my little boy Ran. Are you a baby? Started raining really hard, so hopefully we can get it finished. Watch us trudge in the rain. Some more people came around and got interested and started to help. Which is good because I have a grouchy little boy. Are you a grouchy little boy? No, he just wants mom. What are you thinking? Weld the washer on that one side?
Yeah.
Got my boy to sleep.
I go up with a lift.
Yeah. What do we need? So that was fun. This thing is wiggly. So we're gonna be stiffing it up with these 7 1/4 LVLs on top of it. See how stiff we can make this. All right, we got those stiff backs on them. Now we're gonna lift it up and see how wiggly it is. All right, here we go. Lifting up there, here we go. Woohoo! Boom up a little.
Get the butterflies hard. 16 feet? 15 feet.
Come back! Oh, almost fell. So we put these sweet handles on it. It's beautiful duct tape upholstery. That was awesome. All right, Humpty Dumpty, it was nice knowing you. No, Humpty! 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 Humpty Dumpty, you fool! I told you not to go so high. You'll pay for this. Just hit 34 feet. The forklift just came down, so we hit 34 feet. Girls are up. Don't try this at home. We are professionals. We are professional framers and professional other things.
Professional seesaw riders.
Seesaw riders. Subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time.